This month passing in such a way. School's been jumping, everybody's telling me don't worry about nothing. Got so much of your life ahead. Keep bugging out like that, you know it won't be long before your day ends. Skip it, jumping, everybody's telling me don't worry about nothing. You got so much of your life ahead. Keep bugging out like that, you know it won't be long before your day. Got an issue with by the time I think you see it end up the clock. Cause every moment if it's beating all the way short at the restaurant. If they go by the give me fast before I even know what I want. And that's a good day you wasn't in. I can't believe there were so many months. It's a fact, let it know what it was then, what it might have been. And it's not so much everything. We do what we find and then what you need to be. And then no many reasons. You're gonna be the best of you, facing the parking lot.